Hey brothers, welcome back to Beast Power. In a world that's often seen as selfish and cutthroat, how can you stand out as a highly powerful man? What makes someone truly influential and perceptive in such an environment? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of intuition and uncovering the 7 signs that set these men apart. These traits not only help navigate a selfish world, but also elevate you to a level where your presence makes a significant impact. Let's get started. 1. Intuitive empathy. A highly powerful man has an incredible ability to read emotions. He can sense the subtle nuances in someone's behavior, such as facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language. This deep empathy allows him to connect with others on a profound level, creating strong and meaningful relationships. 2. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is a key trait of a powerful man. He understands his thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, allowing him to act deliberately and authentically. This confidence and maturity come from knowing who he is and being comfortable in his own skin. 3. Intuitive foresight. A highly intuitive man often experiences moments of unexplained optimism or gut feelings that seem to foreshadow future events. This intuitive foresight acts as an early warning system, helping him prepare or adapt before things unfold. 4. Observing signs from the universe. He pays keen attention to coincidences, chance encounters, and seemingly random events. These are not just coincidences to him, but valuable indicators that guide his decisions and life path. Living by these signs requires an open mind and courage. 5. Natural optimism. A powerful man maintains a positive outlook even in the face of adversity. His natural optimism allows him to process negative emotions quickly, draw lessons from challenging experiences, and focus on personal growth and evolution. 6. Vivid dreams and interpretations. He often has vivid and memorable dreams that provide valuable insights and guidance for his waking life. By understanding and trusting these dreams, he gains profound wisdom that helps him navigate his path. Sign 7. Connection with nature. Nature is a significant source of inspiration and intuition for a powerful man. Spending time in nature helps him recharge and reconnect with his inner self. This connection enhances his intuitive thinking and provides a calm refuge for his mind and soul. So there you have it, brothers, the 7 signs of a highly powerful man. Recognizing and cultivating these traits can lead to a more intuitive and fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beast Power for more insights and tips. Until next time, stay powerful.